Hello fellas, and welcome to another episode of Red vs Blue match highlights. It's our 5th game of season 3. In the last match, red team dismantled the blue team as they beat them by 10 goals. Let's see if blue team can master a comeback and beat the red team in this match. In this match we experienced crazy outbursts of wind pretty much throughout the whole game. Blue team has the ball, Sergey takes a good aim with his left, goalie blocks it, and I get a perfect rebound ball and put it away before the goalie could gather his senses back. Andre sets me up perfectly one-on-one with the goalie. I shoot it on the far post. 0-2. Blue team's up as I score my second goal of the game. Quick counter-attack for the blue team. A Slavic lone ball finds Igor the coach, and Igor smashes it in on the near post. 0-3. Blue team's leading by 3 goals now.
Come out! Good!
Blue team has a chance to score again. Slavic gets the ball, but the goalie stood his ground and makes a great double save to keep red team in the game. Red team attacking, Matthew has the ball, he drifts by 2 defenders and finds Yusuf on the near post, and Yusuf sneaks in the ball to get first goal for the red team. Jax flips the ball over the blue team defenders. He finds Matthew wide open. Matthew's first shot is blocked, but he gets a fortunate rebound, and red team only down by 1 goal as ball slowly rolls in. Matthew gets a hold of the ball in the center. What a brilliant lone effort strike, as blue team defender and the goalie were helpless to stop it from going in. Igor gives the ball to Dmitry, and Dmitry from tight angle takes a good shot and scores his 4th goal of the game. Blue team attacking, Sergey has the ball. He takes a shot, but Zach makes a fantastic save for the red team. Zach gives the ball to Matthew, and Matthew flicks the ball right onto his hand, and he gets penalized with the handball, as he gives away perfect position for the blue team to take a free kick. Igor the coach steps up to take the free kick. He finds me wide open on the right side, but Zach denies me scoring a goal, as he makes a fantastic save for the red team. Valera gets at the end of the crossing, but his shot is blocked. Then Yura gets a quick ball, but his attempt is blocked by both blue team defenders. Blue team attacking, I get the ball from Vika, I pass to Igor, Igor passes back to Slavik, and Slavik takes a wicked strike. Zach makes an unfortunate mistake as he lets the ball roll between his legs. 5-9, blue team's up by 4 goals. Red team go on the last attack. Slavik feeds Vika, and Vika squares it to Igor. A ruthless finish by Igor as he gets to the ball first. Blue team took a victory by 5-10 against the red team. This time blue team destroys red team as they take a revenge on the red team from previous game. Dmitry wins man of the match award as he scored 4 goals in this match. He was very instrumental to help blue team win the game. That's all for today, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And also make sure to hit the bell for more post notifications, and we'll see you next time.